So we just finished this 4-hour print of a print in place sort of hinge, box for glasses. I designed this project for my mum, who has these glasses, and I thought it would be a nice gift for like Mother's Day and that, because it's always nice to give back. This is a lever to be put into this sort of pin. You can see that the print didn't really go too well. Let's have the camera focus on that. And this space here is to put some magnets down and have it stick. And the idea is that I have I have two magnets of opposite poles here and here, and depending on whether the lever is switched on either side, it will lock, open and close. Yeah. So this is made of PLA plus, and the reason why I chose white is because it absorbs less infrared radiation than other dark colors, so it's less prone to like warping in like hotter temperatures. And I also printed these earlier, made of PLA. Not made of these are made of TPU, so they're soft. I chose this also because it's very hard, like you can't really like bend it, but then TPU is extremely soft. Yeah, I printed these so they could fit. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, so the hinge seems to be working well. Hinge. Nice sound as well. There's some print flaws here as well, so let's just get rid of that quickly. And some here as well. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's like a bit here. Yeah, looks alright. So if you look carefully, on this side you can see my name. The idea was that if I took this blue TPU layer and then I put it in, let's see if it fits. Nice, okay, it does fit. So the idea is that if you look here, you can now see my name in a darker color compared to the white PLA plus, so you can see it clearly. The camera's reversed, so maybe that will come out different. And if you look here, I've written the word test here as well. So yeah, same principle. If that like fits in there, I'm not sure how to do this facing away. Come on. Nice. Okay, fits. And yeah, you can see the word test in white in blue background. You can see lamb in blue in white background. So we have the glasses here, and I made it so that it would fit perfectly. I made this. I made the lever here because people have noses, and you could have that space for the lever, which is long, right? I'm not sure what happened with this print. It came out really funny. It should be perfectly like flat on that side, but it didn't come out like that. But as you can see, that that fits quite well. I'm using the opposite side because this side didn't print all the way through. So yeah, the lever works pretty well. Let's take it out. Hold on. Oh, I kind of just broke the pin off. Whoops. So right now this is useless because there's no pin. But now we learned that I have to strengthen the pin, and this thing needs to be sort of fixed, I guess. Yeah. But everything else fits very, very well though. Um, it does come together like this, and hopefully, when I get my hands on some Loctite glue, I could stick some magnets onto here and onto here. So yeah, the hinge works pretty well. And the edge, because I used ironing on my settings, it looks majestic actually, but it takes a lot more time. So yeah,